Yes, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Today is a Monday, the first day of the working week. It's been a long weekend. We've been waiting for markets to open. So it's been 2 hours since market has opened for us this side, and I decided to place these trades over here. As you can see, most of them are blue, and then I've got these two red ones, but I'm just waiting for them to change course. If they don't, I'm closing them off. So it's during the weekend, my friends, I was testing this strategy, and today is Monday, so I decided to implement it. Remember, I can't just be risking my money on something that I've not tried and tested. So if I'm coming to you today and teaching you about it, it means I am surely confident about it. So basically, I will be talking about the RSI and the envelope indicators so that everyone can be with us. So let's see. The first thing that you do, my dear friends, is that you just go up there to that indicator either over there. So since I've already got them, I want to take us step by step on how we got here. So let me just remove them. So the first thing that we do is that you are going to press that, and then when you go there, we are going to be looking for the relative strength index. Well, my dear friends, this is the relative strength index. So click on it, and then for you, we are going to find it on your default settings. So I want you to make the settings as I have done them. Just copy them exactly as I have put them on my chart. So maybe one that I need to specify on would be this one for the level, since you just have to use that, and then if you click there, you are going to find them at different values. Yours on the default settings would be having, I think, 2. So you just use that add button. When you place that add button, it's going to give you values, then you add it as it is here. Then remember to click done, and then when you come back this side, you're going to have to click save. So now we've got our relative strength index this side, but if you're going to the chart, you will see a slight difference now. So if you look at this lower part of the chart, we have got this amazing thing that is our RSI. So that's not all, so we are going to go back up there, my friends. So we're going to go back up there once again, and then now we will be looking for something different. So we're going to go to indicator window 1. So when you go to indicator window 1, we are now looking for envelopes. So envelopes is just this one over there. So we're going to click on envelopes. Same applies. Please just do your settings as I have done them, because you will find them on your default settings. Make sure they are exactly as mine. Maybe you can just change this one and make it this, and just make it like that. And then remember, after making your settings, you just don't end there. You have got to make sure that you save up there, because if you just change them and don't save, they won't appear on the chart. So I'm going to click save. Now they are both here. So let's go back to our chart and see how it is now. You see there is a huge difference over here. They are just there. So now let me teach you how do we use these two indicators to make sure that we know what we are doing. So basically, let me say we want to place a buy trade. So to confirm a buy trade, this is what you have to do. The key things is that you have to wait for the graph to reach here on the 10 line level, and then the next step is that you are going to wait for the graph to pass the 20 line level. So after it passes there, you can now place your buy trade with an assumption that price will be going up. I think on the chart, as you can see, that price after here, you can see that price really did go up as it was supposed to do. And then maybe for the sell trade, what you are going to do for the sell trade is that you are going to wait for price to hit the 90 line level over there, and then wait for price to cross the 80 line level, and then you can now place your sell trade over there, and with much precision and confidence, because remember, you just can't be risking with your money anyhow. So as you can see just over there, price really did go down after that. So that is how you place your sell trade, that is how you confirm it. But then let me say someone is so skeptic and is scared and saying, maybe I'm not sure about this strategy. I can just help you add on something. Let's say we have got something like let me just clear up this chart, and then let's say price is going down like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to look at these steps, and then you are going to wait for price to break the last step. So when price breaks the last step, you are going to wait for a bullish engulfing candle, since this is now a buy setup. So you want price to be going up, so you wait for a bullish engulfing candle, and then you can place your trade as easy as that. Or let's say price was going up like that, and then this time around you're going to look at the lower steps, and then if you look at the lower steps, you're going to wait for price to break that last step, and then wait for a bearish engulfing candle, and then you can place your sell trade. So it's as easy as that. You can use that one as your third confirmation. Otherwise, if you use these ones, it's going to be very much easy. And my friends, this strategy has been tried and tested. It's really working. As you can see, these two over here, these two guys are trying to speak another language, but they're coming up okay, because you're looking at it, the difference is not much. So in no time they will be changing course, or I just close them. Either way, I always want to be on the winning team. So my dear friends, remember, if you do not trust this strategy, you can always use this one, this side, which I've tried and tested. Once again, if price is going up, we look at the lower key levels or the lower steps, and then we wait for price to break the last step, and then now we know that surely price is going to be selling because it has done that. And then if it's the other way around, maybe price was going up, so I'm going to use these steps and wait for price to break the last key level. It just works like that, my friends. Vice versa, that is just how it works. So it's not that difficult. If price is going up, if price is going down, either way you can just make it happen and make your confirmations, and you are ready to go. You see, now we've got only one red trade, so this is just happening right before your eyes. It changed. Remember, the last time this was on a different one, now it has changed. It's winning. The strategy really works, my dear friends. It really works, and this one has been tried and tested. Otherwise, if you want to learn more about this strategy, I've explained in my previous videos. You can check them out, but I'll be going deeper on it on my next videos very soon, so stay tuned. These mobile strategies are really working, and on any MT5 and MT4. So see you very soon, my friends.